You're looking at the future of Audi performance. The 2026 Audi R8 isn't just a refresh, it's a statement. Bold, electric, and unmistakably Audi, this latest iteration is the most radical evolution the R8 has ever seen. No more V10. That said, that chapter has closed, but what replaces it is equally thrilling. A dual-motor all-electric setup producing 925 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. 0 to 60? Just 2.3 seconds. Audi has taken everything they've learned from the e-tron GT Motorsport and their electric Le Mans prototypes and infused it into the DNA of this new R8. The result is a supercar that doesn't just adapt to the EV era, it redefines it. The design has changed too. Still low, wide, and aggressive, but now it's more sculpted, more aerodynamic. The front end is sharp, almost blade-like, with digital LED matrix headlights that feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. The side profile still honors the original R8's signature side blade, but it's now integrated as an active aero element. And in the rear, a full-width OLED light bar with dynamic animation that lights up like a heartbeat when you approach the car. Step inside, and it's pure Audi futurism. Minimalist, driver-focused, and wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and recycled, sustainable materials. There's no traditional gauge cluster, just a floating, curved OLED screen with real-time telemetry, performance metrics, and immersive drive modes that change the entire cockpit's lighting and feel. And the sound? Audi hasn't ignored that. Even though the R8 is electric, they've developed an active acoustic system that produces a synthetic yet deeply satisfying whir. Dynamic, reactive, and customizable. It's not fake, it's futuristic. One of the most exciting parts of the 2026 R8 is the new AI performance coach. It learns how you drive, adapts to your habits, and even suggests track settings based on your skill level. Want to push harder? It'll walk you through every corner. Need efficiency on your commute? It dials everything back seamlessly. Charging is also cutting edge. With an 800-volt architecture, the R8 can go from 10 to 80% in just 12 minutes. Using fast charging infrastructure. Range, expect up to 330 miles on a single charge, thanks to an improved solid-state battery platform Audi has been refining for years. But don't get it twisted, the R8 is still a supercar. All-wheel drive, magnetic adaptive suspension, rear-wheel torque vectoring. You're not just looking at an EV, you're looking at a corner-carving, track-capable monster that just happens to be electric. Audi says this is their boldest R8 yet, and honestly, it might be their boldest car ever. It's not just about speed, it's about tech, sustainability, emotion, and that unmistakable feeling when you drive something truly special. Is this the future of performance? If the 2026 Audi R8 has anything to say about it, the answer is yes.